In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files using OneDrive shared folders step by step, 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a link or send a direct invite so others can view or collaborate on your files with confidence. First, open OneDrive in your desktop browser. Using a modern browser on a computer makes the sharing options clear and easy to manage. Once the page loads, you'll see the main OneDrive interface with a navigation panel on the left and your content in the center. Next, in the left sidebar, click My Files. This is where all your folders and documents live. Take a moment to locate the folder you want to share. Sharing the folder, rather than individual files, keeps everything organized, so any files inside that folder follow the same access you set. Hover your mouse over the folder to reveal quick actions. Then click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you'll set the level of access. Here, choose whether anyone with the link can view or edit. View is best when you only want people to look at files without making changes. Edit is ideal if you want true collaboration, allowing others to add, modify, or delete files within that folder. Pick the option that matches your goal and double-check it so you don't grant more access than intended. Now decide how you want to share. If you prefer flexibility, click Copy Link. This creates a shareable link you can paste into a chat, a document, or a message. It's quick and works well when you need to share with multiple people across different platforms. Alternatively, you can enter the recipient's email address directly in the sharing panel. This sends a targeted invite straight to their inbox, which helps keep track of exactly who has access. If you're sending by email, add a short message to set expectations. Mention what the folder contains, whether you want them to view or edit, and any deadlines or context they should know. When you're ready, click Send. At this point, the recipient can access the folder and any files inside based on the permissions you selected. If you chose View, they can open and read files. If you chose Edit, they can add new documents, upload updates, and collaborate in real time. Any changes they make are saved back to the shared folder, so everyone stays on the same page. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.